The Danish government backs and supports knowledge-intensive industries through various funding programs. Unibio is a cutting-edge company in the biomanufacturing industry, a perfect example of a company that benefits from having its R&D located in Denmark.
A company such as Unibio needs a lot of funding to develop technology, and that is really key to getting technology such as ours to market, that you have the backing of the Danish government.
Unibio has received millions of euros from the Innovation Fund Denmark and the Danish Energy Agency.
At that point in time where we got the funds, it was a lot of money for the company. We wouldn't be here where we are today without this sort of funding being available.
Denmark has a comprehensive range of public funding programs available for business, particularly in relation to research and development activities. And even foreign businesses can tap into these funding programs. Just by registering an entity in Denmark, you will be able to apply for funding on equal terms with Danish business.